Aroy is a much healthier gourmet cup noodle, free of MSGs, low in sugar, saturated fats, salt, and calories. Without no nasty ingredients and freeze-dried technologies, we lock in all the goodness and nutritional qualities into our veggies and meats. Just because you live a busy lifestyle, it doesn't mean you can't eat healthily on the go. Perfect for the people who want to keep up their energy throughout the day, who don't have too much time on their plate. For the busy professional, finally something warm, delicious, healthy, and convenient. And it doesn't end there. What if there's a way to vend a healthy cup noodle 24/7? Particularly when the shops and the restaurants are closed, even the ones in universities, corporations, and hospital sectors. And there are no other healthy, ready meal options available. Ability to offer 24/7 convenient, ready meal at the location where students want it and when they want it. We want to change the perception of the nasty, cheap, instant cup noodle market with our 100% natural, 0% nasty, authentic gourmet oriental pot noodles.